Welcome back to phonetic class. Yes, which letter we did last time? We did letter K. So, what comes after K? Letter L. What comes after K? L. So, today's letter is L. L. What's the sound of letter L? La. La. Just roll your mouth. Your tongue should touch your upper jaw. La. Try it with me now. La. Yes, correct. See this letter L. Standing line and a sleeping line. Standing line and a sleeping line. This is the formation of letter L. This is the formation of letter L. Now, let's go through the objects related to letter L. Yes. Oh, see what do I have in my hand? Oh, what is this? Lion. Yes. What is this? Lion. Oh, say hello to lion. Hi, lion. Oh no, I'm scared. Oh, chalo, let's say bye to lion. Now, lion, you can go. Bye, lion. Now, what is this? Yellow. This is lemon. Lemon. This is lemon. What is this? Lemon. Yes. Now, next. What is this? This is leaf. What is this? Leaf. Lamp. Lamp. Ooh. Light. Can you see the light? Yes, light. And next, lotus flower. Lotus flower. So, this is all the objects of related to letter L. Now, you also have one body part that is with L. That is your legs. That is your leg. Okay? Now, next, what you have to do? You have to take any color of your choice and start coloring. So, hold your fingers like this. Hold it like this firmly, means tightly, and start coloring. What you have to do? Start coloring. Be careful that color should not come outside. Color should not come outside. See, I'm coloring up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. See, standing line. I have colored this standing line. Now, sleeping line. Now, again, let's color the sleeping line. Left, right, left, right, left, right. See how beautiful it is. You can also do it. Standing line and a sleeping line. Hold the color properly. Okay? Now, you all can also try on the floor. You can take the chalk and tell your kids to draw letter L. To draw letter L. Tell them to draw like this, one standing line, then one sleeping line. Or mothers, you can also trace it like this. Put a dots and your child can make a standing line on the dots and form the letter L. Okay? So, this is the activity of the day. Mothers can put a dot like this and the child can do like this, one standing line and one sleeping line. So, this is the formation of letter L. I hope it's clear to everyone. Letter L, is it clear to everyone? Okay then.